On February 21st, 2024, officers received a call from Costco after reports of two women stealing a Bose soundbar. A short time later, police showed up at one of the suspects' home.
You're making this into something it doesn't need to be, okay? Listen, you don't need an attorney unless we're asking you about a crime, right? No, it doesn't mean that.
You're not free to leave this time. Why are you leaving? All right. Because you're in handcuffs and you're not free to leave. Do you feel like you're free to leave right now?
No.
Okay, so that's why I gotta read this. Does that make sense?
It's just before he asks you any questions, that's all it is.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Like you said, if we're stopping you, there's already a lot that we know, right? I mean, we didn't just stop random people out here.
So that's you. And this is that tan bag that's upstairs right now.
And your pops drove you there in that car. So far, does that all sound correct?
Like I said, if you're cool with me and you're honest with me, I'll write you a ticket and we can walk away from here. But if you don't give me what I'm looking for, I got more than enough to take you to jail for felonies. So you went into Costco and what happened inside Costco? You said you were pushing a cart.
No, I was pushing a car.
No. Did you guys take some things?
I didn't take anything personally. No.
I got you on video taking something.
Oh, yeah, you just said that. Yeah, you just said that.
Yeah. So, remember what I said. You know, honesty is your best policy here.
Well, honesty is my best policy. You want me to give you something so you can still take me to jail. I want you to write me a ticket. You're not going to write me a ticket.
Body cameras on.
Okay?
I'm telling you, if you're honest with me, I'm not going to take you to jail.
You're gonna take me to jail, you're gonna take me to jail. Regardless. What the fuck I said, what the fuck
I could write you a ticket right here.
You're not gonna write me a ticket.
Take you out of these cuffs.
You done got me in cuffs. If you were gonna write me a ticket, you would have wrote me a ticket. You would have spoke to me and wrote me a ticket. You would have put me in here because you would have read me where I was.
Cuffs come off as easy as they go on. You understand?
Yeah, when you get to motherfucking Champaign County. Yeah, when you get to Champaign County.
I mean, it doesn't have to be that way, though. That's the thing.
Okay, so how does that to be, man? So I'm not understanding.
I'm looking for information on who you were with.
Okay, didn't I just tell you?
Where I can find her.
The bitch is always. You can find her on these motherfucking abandoned buildings. The hell?
You don't know her real name.
5 update, 913 if you got a
man.
Yeah, I just spoke with
When you guys went into Costco, what was your guys'
sure was going to step out to
when you went into
I
Costco?
haven't attempted to do anything.
Perfect.
So you guys walked out of Costco and you did what?
She took her stuff and she went. She got here. She went somewhere with it.
You guys rode together in the Trailblazer up there and presumably back down here?
Yes, I got dropped
So
off.
105 status check.
By
I didn't buy it.
this guy over here.
Yeah, he dropped me
Joe
off.
4, and I spoke with the
You go to a
person
point.
913 talked
I
to.
don't know
Will be
what she did. She took
clearing
her
it out
stuff,
to
came
you.
out here and do what the fuck she did with it.
7. Good stuff, IG. 719.
All right. We'll
We
go
consider
off the
this
card.
this is linked to something that's going on with the ATM and country fair and everything goes forward there as well.
Huh?
I said, look, you got
Tell
your
me.
information, now what? See what I mean?
Come on. I'll write you a ticket. Need some more information on where she's at.
phones plugged in there?
Not too close, but we'll still do it.
You have a phone number for her?
Are we going to county?
What's that?
Are we going to county?
Just run her ticket.
Okay, I've got one.
There she
Let's drive back over here.
Huh?
I want to take him to jail.
You have a phone number for her?
We're just moving just a little bit so we can right up right here. What's that?
Count it.
What's that? Find it. Where's the criminal folder that was in here? One in there. Through there.
But you're going into the store and you're taking stuff with this other person. I don't believe that you don't know something more about her than what you're giving me.
I don't like that, man. Nor do I. Remember my name, man.
Who's your other? Okay.
Over there.
Yeah.
A second. Over there.
Okay. And you see her around here then?
Yeah, I see her over there. And there's a janitor. And there's like all
Sorry?
those cars are fine.
This
Oh.
one right here, though, that should be vacant. Nobody should be in there, right? She
She,
lives in an empty one. Or stays there.
Yeah, she moves around.
do you know,
Back and forth over there to over here.
do you know if she drives a car?
No.
She doesn't? Okay. Alright. You said your last name's Parker?
No. Park with a B. Park.
Parker. Gotcha. Do you have any warrants or anything?
No.
You spell your first name for me?
In the end, she was arrested for retail theft, taking merchandise from a retail establishment with intent to deprive the merchant without paying. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.